Okay, Jesu, this is what my right hand's doing. Again, thumbs playing those space strings. Fingers are playing the treble strings. And here's what my left hand's doing. For fifth and fourth string there on the fifth and fourth fret. Sliding up on that fifth string. And then G chord, F sharp, C chord. Play that again at the suspended chord there, then open sixth string, and then back to that chord. G chord, and then it's a D chord. Again, G, F sharp, C, G again, and then pulling off there, the little hammer on that second string first fret, and then actually a D chord, just open D in the A, and then back to that original motive. C chord. And that's kind of an abbreviated version of Jesu. Thanks for watching. Peace.